GE Laundry Center Dryer leaving black marks on laundry. Model GU 27 GSSJ1WW. The paddles are in place firmly and not cracked. Looks like more gap at the top of the drum, in the front, than at the bottom. I took it apart and I don't see anything obviously out of place. Any thought?
Gag at the top is normal. You just want the gap to be at the top, not the bottom. Is this unit electric or gas?
Electric.
Wash a load of scrap rags with baking soda but don't let them rinse. Just a wash and rinse. Then dry them.
Can you clarify? Wash rags with a cup of baking soda in the sink or a bucket or something, then dry the soaking wet rags in the dryer. What is this supposed to do?
I'm sorry, I should have explained. It will help clean out whatever is leaving marks. Don't wash in machine. We want to eliminate the washer. Also, when you took apart the dryer, did you remove the drum?
No. The dryer drum looks very clean. The unit is only 2 years old and they said they had the problem since they got it. I did not remove the drum. It seems like you need 4 arms to get the front of dryer back together.
How about the washer? How old is it?
It's a combo unit, laundry center.
The reason I ask is oftentimes when a customer complains of black marks on clothing or linen, it come from the washer, not the dryer. It just gets noticed coming out of dryer. The hose that supply water tend to deteriorate from the inside and carry into the washer, or any seal on the washer can also for spots. If you take a water hose loose, try the hot and use something small enough to rub the inside of the hose. If it is coming apart, this will tell. About the only thing in a dryer to make spots is belt dust, and that is rare because it's on outside of drum. The other would be if support rollers or guides were extremely comfortable worn, and this would be noticed because of noise. Not comfortable, my mistake. It should read extremely worn out.
Thanks. No support rollers on these units. I was stumped also.
Are you 100% positive that the marks could not be coming from the washer? Just one more thing. When you had the front off, did you see any belt dust or shavings?
I don't remember, and I can't be sure about the washer. Good night. No worries.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.